This lesson is going to be focused on naming the parts of a whole, and when we name the parts of a whole, we do that with the denominator of a fraction. So what you see up here is a rectangle that represents our one whole, and the first way we can break it into parts is to break it into two equal parts. So here's another rectangle the same size as our whole, broken it into two equal parts, and those parts are called halves. The denominator is 2, telling us again that we have two equal parts. Likewise, if I take our whole again and I break it into 3 equal pieces, those pieces would be called thirds. And the denominator, 3, tells us that there are 3 equal pieces in the whole. We'll do one more. We break it into 4 equal pieces. Those pieces are going to be called fourths. The denominator is 4, telling us that we have 4 equal pieces in the whole. So basically, when we're naming the parts of a whole, the denominator is what's doing that. That's the bottom number in the fraction. And really, after fourths, the way they're named is by just adding a THS to the end of each number word. So 5 pieces would be fifths, 6 pieces sixths, and so on and so forth.